Libby Wolf has sent us a recipe perfect for this time of year.
Oh, I guess so. With squirrel season just opening here in Michigan and around the country, I like squirrel because it is such a mild meat.
And
It really
the
is.
pieces are quite meaty for as small as they are.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to brown the squirrel in flour and salt and pepper.
Seasoned flour.
Right. And in bacon grease. I'm going to fry the bacon first and then remove it and then just put the pieces in the bacon grease.
Bacon grease gives a great flavor to small game.
It's a smoky, just a little bit of smoky flavor. And
Especially the way it looks like you scorched it.
maybe it's a dark pan. Now
Well, let's take a look at that. Oh, look at the underside of that bacon.
the squirrel, as it comes out of there, would be perfect just like that. Just those brown pieces.
You know, a lot of people don't think that it would be because it would be tough.
No, I don't think so. I'm going to add some onion and lemon juice and put the crumbled bacon back in. And we're going to add some apple, which is just a little bit different here.
That's an interesting combination of ingredients.
Right, your fruit with your meat. And
chicken broth.
Chicken broth, just for some juice.
Very compatible.
Right, because it's going to simmer here for 2 hours rather than putting it in a pressure cooker.
You know, squirrels have a short life expectancy. Many of them that hunters take are young, and they're tender.
Very tender.
Very tender. And cooking for 2 hours?
Yep, just simmer.
Garner is going to love it.
I'll tell you what, this really is very, very tender. I can't believe that it wasn't cooked in a pressure
Yeah, most
cooker.
of it is that tender. It is in a pressure cooker. But this just simmered for 2 hours.
No, it's a big fallacy about wild game.
Yep.
It really is.
Right, you know, and the other thing that's a fallacy too, and this recipe is superb. I don't want to get away from that too much, but squirrel. Anybody who likes rabbit will like squirrel better. Some people say, "Geez, I wouldn't even eat a squirrel." Oh man, you are missing probably the best of the small game is the squirrel, and they're so available and easy to get.
And this recipe didn't do it any harm either.
No, it sure didn't.
The recipe did it very much, did a big justice.
Yeah, in fact, I'm going to get some more before Bob finishes that leg.
What's the limit on squirrels anyway?
A couple legs, a back, and You don't have to go far for this recipe, which works well with all small game, even